Hello friends, this is Ranit. I'll be showing you the second experiment, which is a class diagram for the same railway reservation system that we made in the first experiment. So now in the class diagram we represent entities in the form of classes. These are the operations and these are the attributes, which means the function. So the functions are the operations that the following entity can perform. So we'll start with the customer. Now the customer has two features. The features are name and age. So now the functions that the customer can perform are book a ticket, cancel a ticket, print a ticket, and change the boarding point. Now all these functions are separatable. That means these are different, they represent a different entity. So as we can see that book ticket is a different entity over here. So uh, while booking a ticket, the person, the traveler needs to enter his name, age, date, seat, source station, and the destination station. Now, after he enters the following things, he can successfully book the ticket. Now, as we know that the tickets are of various types, that are Tatkal ticket, regular ticket, passenger list, and at last he needs to make a payment. So I will explain this thing first. Now, we have two types of tickets, so that's why the association goes towards the ticket, since this is the parent class for these three. So during Tatkala ticket, he has to book a ticket and we have to make a payment. Similarly, in a regular ticket, he has to book a ticket, then he has to make a payment. So the payment is a different entity over here now. Now the payment carries only one field, which is the amount that will be inserted by the system itself. Now the payment can have two functions, which is credit and debit. That means the user can either use a credit card or a debit card. Or we can simply take it another way, that if the user has account in his balance, then he will already pay it. Or if he does not have, then he can debit it using his card. Now there is a different type of ticket, which is a passenger ticket, which we know, don't, which for which we don't need to make any reservation. So for that, the name and seat simply, and at last the TT will verify the ticket. So this was the book ticket entity. Now the next attribute is the cancel ticket. So cancel ticket, all we need to do is enter the PNR and the ticket will be cancelled. And the other entity is boarding point. So for the boarding point, we need to enter the PNR number and enter the boarding point up to which we need to change. And at last we can uh, run this change boarding point function and we can execute it. And at last we have the print ticket function, where the PNR ticket number needs to be entered once we log in and the ticket will be printed. So this was the class diagram. Thank you.